brachiocephalic branches. External jugular, internal jugular. Subclavian, auxiliary, brachial. Arch of the aorta. Ascending aorta, descending aorta.
What is the difference between the arch and the ascending?
Arch is the curve.
Okay.
The top curve. Like right there. Brachiocephalic. Right subclavian. Right auxiliary. Right brachial. Right common carotid. Left common carotid. Left subclavian. Vertebral artery. Thoracic aorta, which leads into the abdominal aorta.
You want me to show you? Do I can't do
If I dropped your phone.
So this is abdominal aorta. Off of that, you have the celiac trunk, 3 branches. Hepatic artery, gastric artery, splenic artery. Superior mesenteric artery, inferior mesenteric artery. Again, abdominal aorta, external iliac artery, internal iliac artery, and finally the renal artery.
And what's a common iliac artery? We don't even know that?
Nope.
Say femoral.
Our femoral artery is way down in here.
Mm-hmm.
What are we at here? Inferior vena cava, common iliac vein. Once it branches, this is the internal iliac vein, external iliac vein, deep femoral vein. And then the other one is hepatic, which I can't show. I mean, you can see it in here, but
You're just gonna show it on that cat.
yeah.
Okay.
Oh, what was the one? Thoracic arch?
Aortic arch,
Is there a thoracic arch?
thoracic aorta. Yes,
Yeah,
is the
thoracic
one
area.
that is by the ribs. So if I point to the aorta by the ribs, it's thoracic.
Okay.
Let's go over here.
So hepatic portal vein, left gastric vein, right gastric vein, pancreatic vein, splenic vein, superior mesenteric vein, inferior mesenteric vein, intestinal. It's yellow ones, intestinal vein. I can do it.
Do the pancreatic one.